everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So in my last video I explained you all about your presentation and you have your presentation on 10th of August. So this is my request to all. Kindly prepare yourself nicely for the same. Just take a help of Google to prepare your content and just start practicing German because you should have good fluency, you should have good pronunciation, rest your marks will be deducted. And I have very special announcement to make. Everybody might be you are thinking that this time also you will have grades of German, but no, German is your main subject now and you will be having marks of German, so there will be no grades and these marks will be added to your final results. So this is what you have to keep in your mind, right? This is not your additional subject. German is your main subject now. That's why you had your objective test and this is the reason why we are taking presentation and everything. Along with the same, in my last video I explained some questions of Herbeit's book and today we start with those questions only. So have a look on those questions. So without wasting further, let's begin with the video. So 8th class student, this is to inform you that I have got some notebooks yesterday on my WhatsApp of 8th standard and many of you have not done Wechsel preposition in your notebook, and I told you clearly multiple times that this topic is very much important. So you have to do Wechsel preposition in your notebook. There is a table given in your layer book. You have to draw the table, you have to write down the definition. Kindly watch my video again so that you will get to know that what you have to do, right? And next week whenever you will be submitting your notebooks to me, make sure that your work is complete from chapter number 3, right? So today I'm going to start with 6th question. In this you can see there is a paragraph and I'll be giving you translation of the same and then we'll do question answer. So without wasting further, let's begin. Herr Hartmann geht in sein Büro, which means Mr. Hartmann go in his office. Büro means office. Hängt seinen Mantel in die Garderobe, which means he hang his blazer in the wardrobe. Und setzt sich auf einen Stuhl in seinem Zimmer, which means and he make him sit on a chair in his room. Seine Sekretärin klopft an die Tür, which means his secretary knock on the door. Sie legt viele Papier auf den Tisch. She kept many paper on the table. Dann geht sie zurück zu ihrem Sitz and then she went back to her place. Vor ihrem auf dem Tisch liegen der Telefonapparat, which means in front of her a telephone and a fax machine is lying. Tagesüber klingelt das Telefon. Throughout the day a telephone is ringing and Mrs. Bender has no peace from a work. Sie schreibt Briefe, she write emails, she write letters and emails and she remind her boss regarding the appointment. Besorgt ihm die Fahrkarten, kümmert sich die Kundschaft, and she also take care of the customers. Translation you can see. So first point is Frau Bender ist tüchtig und arbeitet fließig, which means Mrs. Bender, this is the name of his secretary. So she is very hardworking and flexible. This is richtig, correct. She was hardworking and flexible. Herr Hartmann ist ihr Chef, which means Mr. Hartmann is her boss. Richtig, correct है भी. Nummer 3, Frau Bender sitzt in einem anderen Zimmer, which means she sits in a separate room. This is falsch because it is nowhere mentioned in the paragraph. So this is falsch. Nummer 4, sie bestellt auf Fahrkarten für ihn, which means she often ordered tickets for him. Richtig. And Nummer 5, sie ruft ihn oft an. She often call her boss. Falsch. She doesn't. Nummer 1, was macht Frau Bender bevor sie in das Schimmer ihren Chefs eintritt, which means what does Mrs. Bender do before she enters into a room? So this is, I have explained that she just knocked the door. Then second, was liegt auf ihrem Tisch. Was means what? What is lying on a table? You know this very well that there are so many There is a telephone and there is a fax machine on a table. Wo sitzt Herr Hartmann? Where Mr. Hartmann sits. So Mr. Hartmann sits on a chair in his room. Wo hängt sein Mantel? Mantel means coat. Where is his coat hanging? So his coat is hanging in a wardrobe. Was alles macht Frau Bender für ihren Chef? What does she do for her boss? She writes email, she sends letters, she remind her boss about the appointment, and she often take care of the customers. So this is what we have done, and I am giving you solution of question number 5. That was your homework, but I am giving you the solutions again. So question number 1 we have done, 2 we have done, 3 you have to cut. The question which is on your screen, this is what you have to cut. Question number 4 is only left. We'll do the question number 4 in my next video, and from your layer book also you may have a look once. In your layer book you have second question left. So we will attempt these 2 questions in my next video, and listen to me carefully everybody, that soon you will have your presentation, right? You have to prepare yourself nicely. You are such a wonderful batch, 8th class, and you people are quite good in German language, but I will again insist you all to practice German, to practice your content at your home, because might you will stuck somewhere, because this is not English language. This is my request to all, please prepare your content nicely. Your topic is very easy, Geburtstag and why German is important. Prepare yourself nicely, because whenever you will be giving your presentation, you are not supposed to have any notebook in your hand, and you're not supposed to have anything. You can't read from the page and then you can speak. So prepare your props, like if you are preparing on birthday, so what else you can do? You can have props as a cake, or you can have some other thing as your gift in your props. So please start practicing, because German marks will also be added. German is your main subject, beta. That's why you have exam also. That's why you have everything now. So please start preparing. It is not your additional subject now. So, and keep this in mind that next time your notebook should be properly maintained. So thank you all. Have a nice day. And yes, if you will have any problem for presentation, you may take my number from your class teacher, and you may contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.